Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into GMFS Mortgage account online. First and foremost, to log in, make sure you have an account on GMFS Mortgage. If you do, then to log in, open your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, in the search box or URL box, you may type in gmfsmortgage.com and click enter. This will take you to the official website. From the main homepage, locate the login option at the top of the screen and then click on it. Then a new page opens up. Again, click on the login option on the top right corner of your screen. If you don't have an account yet, you may click on the register button right beside the login button and follow the prompts for further registration of your account. However, if you do have an account, you may click on the login button. Once you click on that button, a page opens up where you can enter your login credentials. You may enter your username in the first tab. Then, on the next tab, you may enter your correct password. If you don't remember your password or username, you may click on Forgot your username or password under the text tabs. After filling in your correct login credentials, tap on Login. You will then be logged into your GMFS Mortgage account. This is how easily you can log into your GMFS Mortgage account online. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.